Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the celebrant of 2022. Hello, hello. Hello. Hello.
Somebody told me that you don't want me no more. So you're walking out the door. Somebody told me you've been crying every night. Nobody told me you've been dying until you want to fight. Nobody told me that you're fed up. So I'm setting you free. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. You don't need to find it set up where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love is true, but it's not enough. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye. Somebody told me you used to love me. I don't know why. Nobody told me that you only needed time to fly. Somebody told me that you want to come back when our love is real again. Let me be the one to break it up, so you don't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love is true, but it's not enough. I love you one last time. And goodbye. Just turn around and walk away. You don't have to live like this. Oh no. But if your love is still then stay. Don't give me waiting for the final kiss. We can work together, do this best, or we can work to it apart. I just need to get this off my chest, that you will always have my heart. Let me be the one. You want to break it up, have to make excuses. You need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. You just have to say it's true, but it's not enough. I love you one last time. And
Thank you very much. Basic